Right, today we're going to have a look at this Xbox controller. It's suffering from the dreaded stick drift. I've never actually opened one of these things before, so this should be interesting. But let's get it hooked up to the PC first and see just how bad it is. Okay, looking at this here, I think we can see that it's not great. It's like in the up and down direction, it's just hopeless. Okay, let's take it apart, see how we get on. So that should come off now. Right, and we have the same on this side. Right, we just take this cover off and remove the thumbsticks. There we are. Now what I'm going to do is just try and prise this off here, get the little wiper out from underneath, and then we'll see about desoldering the green bit and taking that out. And then we're going to replace that entire section. Okay, we'll just put a little bit of IPA on here. I'm not actually trying to see if I can repair this, but I just want to see what this kind of film is that's on it, and just to get an idea of what's caused this failure. Not that I think there's anything you can do to prevent it happening. Funnily enough, when I go over this bit, I can feel it's ridged. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be like that. Okay, so what we're going to do, I think, to make it a bit easier, rather than taking it off, is we'll desolder this, and then we can just drop in the new replacement. I'll just add a little bit of low melt solder to each of these. There we are. Clean pull. Okay, that's the first one prepared. So I think what we'll do is go and get the second one ready, and then we'll add the new parts. Right, just to do the same on this one. If it will come out here. And that one is just as bad. Okay, that's the second one already. So the new parts have arrived, so we just need to solder these in. Let's take this side off as well. Oh, it's fiddly as. Okay, so that's it through, as you can see. Let's just make sure we can get that on there. So this is the old one on the left and the new one on the right. You can see that the one on the left has a significantly larger section. Okay, let's take these bits off. Right. Let's just it just does not want to fit on there at all. Yeah, that's it. We're good. Okay, there we go. So if we move this one up. Yes, okay. These things are so awkward to fit. Okay, that's those two on. Let's apply some solder. Let's switch the fan on. We'll just put a little bit of IPA on here, clean it up. There we are. Right, let's put the thumbsticks back on and then fit the top. Right, let's set up the PC and see if that's fixed it. Okay, controller in. And there it goes. So let's go to properties. Okay, so looks good. Let's get the other one done. Okay, so we're going to have to do the same to this one. We're going to have to take this off. I will zip through this because you don't want to watch it again. Right, let's test this one as well. Okay, let's plug this one in. And that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, so there we go. Pretty successful repair, I would say. Cost of the parts was about £5, including delivery. I'm really pleased how they've come out. That's a great result. Okay, thanks very much for watching and see you in the next one.